We recently had a couple that they had history of one failed IUI. So when they came to me, I went through all their details. The tubal patency was never done for her. We recently had a couple who visited us for fertility issues. So the couple have been married for 4 years. The wife was 32 years old and the husband was 35 years old. And they had been consulting a gynecologist for 2 years now. And the gynecologist had given them 7 to 8 cycles of ovulation induction. And they even told me that they had history of one failed IUI. So the IUI was not done for them. She never ovulated in that cycle. The IUI was finally cancelled off. So when they came to me, I went through all their details. I took the history and I saw all their reports. I studied all their reports and I found out that we didn't know whether her tubes were open or not. The tubal patency was never done for her. And all of her ovulation induction cycles were unmonitored. No follicular scans were being done for her. She was not taking any trigger, HCG trigger for ovulation, and she didn't know whether she ovulated in that particular cycle or not. So basically, she was just taking oral ovulogens for ovulation induction, and she was advised to have intercourse on alternate days beginning from day 10 till day 18. I counseled the patient to undergo the tubal patency test and told her that IVF is not the right answer at this particular point. The couple agreed and I did a saline sonosalpingography and found out that both the tubes were patent for the patient. Then I counseled her that IVF is not the requirement right now and we can try 2 to 3 more cycles of ovulation induction with either timed intercourse or an IUI. The couple invested their faith in me and we went ahead with ovulation induction, and this time we found out that the dominant follicle was ready somewhere around the 18th day, and I triggered it with HCG injection, and post that I asked them to have timed intercourse and advised her to do a urine pregnancy test after 18 days. So after 18 days, I get a call from the patient saying she has got a positive test this time, and she was very joyful on the phone. She couldn't wait to meet me. So I see her in the OPD after a week for an early pregnancy scan. And in the scan, I find out that she has 2 gestational sacs inside the uterus because she had 2 dominant follicles. And I tell her that she's carrying twins this time. And there was no bounds to her joy. There was no limit to her joy. She was very happy. She was through the skies. And she told me that she considers the twin pregnancy as God's reward for all the delay that she had to face for her conception. So we were very happy. We at Matru, the entire team that was associated with her treatment, we were very happy that we could counsel a patient in the right way. We never pushed her to go for IVF. We went through all her history. We found out what was being done wrongly. We found out what was missing in the piece, and we fixed that piece. So after all this, I was very glad for the couple that her pregnancy is continuing safely.